Hi, good day and welcome to Famous Empire YouTube channel. I'm Mercy, creative director of Famous Empire. So please, if you are a passerby, kindly subscribe and click on the notification button so you get notified whenever we upload new videos. For my whole subscribers, thanks for always coming back. Thanks for believing in us. And sorry we've been off for some time now due to some circumstance, but guess what, we are back. So please always come here every week to check what we have, and please, if you've not pressed the notification button, just click on it so that you get notified whenever we have new videos. So today we are learning how to tie that beautiful head tie, how to tie it on yourself so you don't waste time or start looking for someone to tie for you in any occasion. So what we need for this project is we need your head tie. These three are way of ashoke, and also we need your office pin. Your office pin. So now you pick your ashoke and then you divide it into two equal halves like this. Can you see? Then you pick the center and you pleat. This is the center, you pleat. You fold it in. See what I did? I fold the edge in. Then I started creating my pleat. Like this. This is the second pleat. This joining, I don't want it showing, so I'll use another pleat to cover it. Like this. So I'm okay with just 3 pleats. 3 pleats is okay. So I'll pick it like this and take it to my head. So here is it. I've placed it on my head. See? So I'll just use that to arrange it. I made 3 pleats. If you like, you can make more than 3 pleats. So you arrange it until it passes your ear. Look at my ear. That's how I just do it like this and use my neck to hold it down. Can you see? Then no one will hold it for you now except to see somebody. So you just split these two. This. And see. And this is it. It has passed my ear. Then I pack it like this. Like this. I cross it. There it is. I've crossed it. So now I'll pick one of it. I roll. Make sure you arrange the pleats and it's equal. And you just roll this. Then you can pin it down so that it won't scatter. It's firm now. Make sure it's firm. Then these two, you roll it. Roll it. And then you cross it. I see. And then you pin it down. Pin it down. In multiple places, just to make sure it's well secured, so that even if one pin removes, the other one will hold it down. So there's it. If I have to pin, just insert it, then I bring it. There's it. So for it, this one, I just scatter it. Scatter it. See? And then just do it like this. So this edge, see, I've scattered it like this. Then the edge, just bring it down like this. I bring the edge. Just look for a twist to pin it down. Pin it down. Then just this. For here too, if you can pin this down too. So this other edge too, just pin it down so that it won't be flying. Then you adjust it. I'm ready to go to occasion, to church, and my GELE is set. So, just adjust whatever needs to be adjusted, and this is all we have. Thanks for watching. I'll wait to see yours. Please, if you have not subscribed, subscribe so that next one you'll be able to be notified. Thank you.